Hey, what's up everyone? Today I'm going to show you how to easily create a online survey using Google Form. It's very easy and free to use, and Google provides a great templates. So let's get into it without any wasting any of your time. So the most easy way to get there would be just you could just Google a Google Form, or like search Google Form, or just type out form.new in a search bar, and that will take you to the template. And here on the top is the untitled form. That's the title of your form, and you have a question like you want to add here. And if you want to add more question in the bottom left corner, you could add here. Let's type everything out. So here on the top right, so for sake of this tutorial, I've said let's do a survey on how I am doing with my video. So I title my video review up here. You could essentially just click there and edit it. So the down below right, you could type out the question, like your first question on the survey. Let's say question number 1, how is it going so far? And down below you have an option to choose what kind of a multiple choice it's gonna be. So click here. So you have option to say if it's multiple choice, a check boxes or the drop down. So for sake of this tutorial, I just click on the multiple choice, and I have options: good, bad, really bad, right? Let's say I want to add an other option. I could just click on the add here and type out, let's say another option is kinda sucks, right? So you could essentially add as many options you want. Let's say you want to add another question, so click on the add button down below here on the left. If you click on that, it will add another question right here. So the question number 2 is, how is my voice? And here you have again your option to choose what kind you want. So let's, for sake of this video, let's do a check box for the second one. So option number 1, again, good. Let's add another one, sexy. Let's add another one, really, really, really sucks. So once you have your questions and everything here, right, and you think you're ready to send out the survey, like I said before, you could keep adding multiple question if you want to have multiple question there. So once you are done with your question, you can click on the send arrow up here. So let's click there, and this will give you an option to send it out, right? So you have multiple options: send it via email, send it via link, Facebook, or Twitter, or formerly Twitter, now X. So you could essentially send the survey here, right? And let's cancel that for now. So this would be a survey you have, and you could essentially change other thing too, like go to your setting, right, or even go on the top and change like the background and stuff, like, so the color, font, let's change the background to purple. So you could change whatever you want, right? The text style, anything. So all of these are included there. Click apply, and here your background for the survey changes, and the text changes. So essentially you could do anything, and once you are happy with your final survey, you could just send it. And once you send it, you could view your response right here too. Like I have not sent it out, so I'm not able to see it, but once you do that, you will see a summary of your response and individual responses here too. So essentially that's pretty quick and easy way. Thanks for watching. Please do like and let me know in comments that if you want more tutorial on any of the Google products. Thank you.